Good morning, students. Today, we're going to learn about Adobe Photoshop CC. You might have noticed that photographers in marriage albums, magazines, or catalogs of any cosmetic company are much different from the common pictures you click daily. A normal looking person's look beautiful, dull skin turns bright, wrinkle disappears from the face of old, and eventually a person look better in the picture than they look in the real life. So, do you know how it happens? It's all just because of Photoshop. So, let's proceed. What is Photoshop? Adobe Photoshop is a software application for image editing and photo retouching for use on Windows. Photoshop offers users the ability to create and enhance or otherwise edit images, artworks, and illustrations. Changing background, simulation, or real life painting, or creating an alternative view of the universe are all possible with Adobe Photoshop. It is the most widely used software tool for photo editing, image manipulation, and retouching for numerous images and video file formats. Now let's talk about the history of Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop was originally developed in 1987 by the brothers John and Thomas Knoll. Since its original development, Photoshop have evolved a simple image editing tool to a comprehensive suite for image manipulation. While early versions of Photoshop were produced and distributed by the Knoll brothers, the software was acquired by Adobe Photoshop and became Adobe Photoshop. Now, what is CC in Photoshop? So, Adobe Photoshop CC is the creative cloud version of the Photoshop available by subscription. It is considered to be the professional level version of the Photoshop family of products. Photoshop CC is an advanced imaging software used by designers, web professionals, video editors, and photographers to alter or manipulate digital images. Photoshop is primarily used to edit 2D images, although it does offer some 3D images editing functionality. Now let's talk about some of the features of Photoshop CC. First one is manipulating the color of an image. That means it enhance or change the color of an image by adjusting the brightness and contrast, color balance, hue and saturation level, curves, etc. Next is cropping images. That is crop or resize picture without losing the quality of an image. Photoshop CC provides various options along with the crop tool to make it work even better. Next is layer effect. That layer effect preserves the original state of an image while manipulating another versions of it through another layer. We can add as many as a layer we need, and we can able to make changes in the layers without affecting the original image. Next is vanishing point tool. That is, we can able to remove the unwanted objects from the picture using this vanishing point tool. Then video timeline panel. The new edition of the video timeline panel enables you to add effects to the video clip in the Photoshop. Content aware move. It enables you to select pixels and drag it to some other part of an image without using layers or masks. The magical part is that it fills the hole with matching elements from the existing background and shift the pixels to the new location. Adapted wide angle filter. It enables you to straighten curves and lines in the photograph and quickly achieve effects on the images when there is less space. And finally, powerful vector tool. With the new powerful vector tool, designers can now design and shape graphic elements more quickly and easily.